Guys, I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I have been waiting for this item to be released. Can't wait to share it with you. Stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is that you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. This is a recent release, and it's a seasonal piece, and well, it's released seasonally, so in that sense it's a seasonal piece, but it's something that comes out every year. Are you figuring out yet what it is? I'm gonna open it up and share it with you. Louis Vuitton. I'm wondering if they put this in a box. Did they? They did. How lovely. Becca ordered this for me. Oh, it's very nicely packaged, because our store didn't have them in at the time. They did the gift wrapping and everything, so nice. And I wanted to get it as soon as it came out, first before it sold out, but also so I could share it with you guys in case you wanted to get one. I wanted you to be able to see it quickly and make a decision about whether you wanted it, and hopefully they'll still be available for you. These do come in different sizes. I got the smallest one. I should just show you what it is, and everything will make more sense. Came with a little blank gift card. Be nice if their little gift cards were embossed with Louis Vuitton or LV or something, but they're not. Inside the box is this. Did you guess correctly? It's the Louis Vuitton 2022 Agenda Refill. This is the PM size for my little PM planner, and I like the daily version where there's a day on each page. And let me show you, let me find a page I have not used in my current one that's from last year. Let's see, here we go. Well, no, that's not a good example. Apparently there are no pages I haven't used. Been very busy, you guys. Okay, well, this isn't the best example, but maybe it is. Most of the pages look like this, with one day on one page, but the weekend is 2 days on one page. I wish that those were also a day per page, because I do a lot on the weekends that I want to write down in my book. However, it makes sense because 7 days in a week is not an even number, and this would, you know, get out of order and whatever. And just a little comparison, last year's artwork and this year's artwork, there's a big difference, I think, in the style of it and in the detail. And I think that Vivienne is not in it this year. We're about to find out, and let's cross our fingers she isn't. You know how we feel about Vivienne on this channel. So inside it opens up like this, and because it's the daily, all of this would not fit into the PM agenda, so they have it divided quarterly, 3 months per section. You'll notice this section is bigger because it has a few extra things in it that belong with the whole set. Oh, and by the way, it's silver foiling again this year. A lot of people don't like that because most of the agendas have gold hardware. The first page and the very last page are cardstock. All the other pages are thinner. We have a little bit of space for telephone numbers, a little information about the artwork in a few different languages, a few pages of holidays. Actually, I'm not entirely sure what that was, because these are holidays. These are in French and English. The foiling is making some of the pages stick together. A note page, a key to abbreviations for countries. And then this is the first title page for all of the pages. On the back, the start date is December 20th, and you can see the layout of the day on one page. And I'll show you the artwork for each month so you're aware of what's in here. Here's January, February, March, and at the end of this first quarter, they have the back piece of cardstock, it's just blank, and 2 kind of skimpy sheets of stickers. The second quarter, April, May, and June. Dale's Addiction would love this one, it has her flower trunk. The third quarter, July, August, September, the final quarter, October, November, and December. And it's nice that we're ending the year with fireworks. And here's an overview of all the artwork on each of the monthly divider pages. And let's look at these in a little more detail. There's your cover art again, just a little mishmash of some of the artwork. And each month features a Louis Vuitton bag, and each month features a different Louis Vuitton bag and a different location. It also tells you the year that each of these bags was designed. So if you appreciate Louis Vuitton handbag history, this is a great agenda refill for you. January features the briefcase, which was made in 1950. And it also features Paris. It has the city names right there. February features this backpack, which looks like it's named the Christopher from 2004. And the location is Corvachal, and I'm probably saying that incorrectly. March features the Dauphine bag, made in 1976, and it features Hong Kong. April features one of my personal favorites, the Noe bag, in Tokyo, and the bag was made in 1932. May features the Soft Trunk from 2018 and the city of San Francisco. June features the Flower Trunk, designed in 1910, in the city of London. July features the Boit Chapeau, designed in 1920, and it says they're in Venice, although I'm not sure how representative that is of Venice. Are they on a water taxi there? That's a really strange representation of Venice. Not happy with that. That's one of my favorite places. Love the Boit Chapeau though. August features the Neverfull, designed in 2007, and they're in Deauville. September features a travel trunk, designed in 1870, and I can't read what that says. Can you? Where is that? October features the Alma bag, designed in 1992. I didn't realize it was that recent. And one of my very favorite places in the world, New York City. November features the Keepall, designed in 1930, and they're in Singapore. I like that it features such different Keepalls, and it has a limited edition one in there. And December features the Petite Mal, designed in 2014, and they're in Shanghai for the new year. As always, the agenda refills come in sizes to fit your agenda PM, your agenda MM, and your agenda GM, and they come in loose leaf pages like the ones that I purchased. They also come in a week on 2 pages instead of the daily like I have, if you don't need quite that much space, or if you need the entire year in your notebook at once. And there are some spiral bound versions, and there are a couple, like there's a pocket sized one, it's kind of long and skinny, that is stapled together, so you wouldn't even really need a cover on it. You can just carry it around, same with the spiral ones. I want to show you the paper and give you a sense of whether the ink will bleed on it or not. So I was going to show you a couple of pages here that I have already written on throughout the year. This is using this little Pilot pen. I will link this below for you, and it actually fits into the little tiny ring on the PM agenda, which does not fit most pens. And with that pen, it's a little ballpoint. You don't see through to the other side. I mean, you can a tiny bit. It's definitely not enough to interfere with your writing on the next page. However, my favorite pens recently are these tool pens. I just picked up this needlepoint one. The size of the nib is 0.5, and it has a thicker, darker line, so I thought I would try writing in here. And you can see that that's a thicker, darker line, so let's see if we can see that on the other side. And that we definitely can more. There's writing here that you can't really see from the other side, but right there it's more noticeable. At the bottom corner of each page, there's this little perforated triangle, and what you do is fold that back and forth, and then you can rip it off, and it acts as a little bookmark, so you can just flip right to your current page. As you can see down here, I tried doing that on the current year's calendar, but I got really annoyed with it. I would forget to tear it off each day, and then I'd have to find the day and tear several days off. It just got annoying. So I really prefer my Louis Vuitton PM Agenda ruler. These used to come with the agenda refills. I wish they still did, but you can sometimes find these on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, places like that. Or if you don't mind not having a Louis Vuitton one and you just want a ruler that fits in your agenda, you can get one from Filofax, and I will link that below. But that was the design for 2022. Also, the boxes, when you turn them to the side, they have the year printed on them, and you can store them in the boxes that they come in for easy reference if you need to go back to the years. They also have the dates on the top of the box. And you could even take the little artwork and frame it or something. Cut out designs that you like and put them in your other notebooks. I don't know. You could do different things with them once the year is over, or whenever you want. But I hope that that was helpful, especially if you're considering getting the refills this year. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. I hope to see you back here soon, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.